Hi, welcome my friend. Tatkraft Joy Portable Laptop Desk with Mousepad. Rolling computer stand with adjustable height. Sturdy and comfortable. Black color. Make yourself comfortable with Tatkraft Joy. Upgrade your home office, sit comfortably. Relaxing lying position, standing, working for a healthier spine, adjustable. The laptop tray can be tilted 160 degrees and rotated 360 degrees, so you can use your laptop in the exact position you want. Mouseboard, separate large mouseboard for extra comfort while using your laptop. Safe, our laptop table suitable for 7 to 17-inch laptop with a safety bar on the bottom to make sure that the laptop won't slide off the table even at steeper angles. Comfortable. The height can be adjusted to anywhere between 27.6 to 39.2 inches, 70 to 99.5 centimeters, and the stand has 4 wheels that moves 360 degrees. Easy to move around in any direction. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.